Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to enter one-handed mode on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go! Okay guys, so all you need to do is you need to go to settings, then you scroll down all the way down to system, you click it, then you click gestures and you click one-handed mode. Then you need to turn it on, which is here. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. As you can see, if I click it, the screen goes down. For example, when I have my finger here, I can't click here, yes, so I click this button and it's easily reachable. Okay, thank you guys for watching, have a good day and goodbye.